Hi guys, happy full solar eclipse in Aries and new moon in Aries. So normally we do workshops on this day, I do them live. We talk about the energies and what to expect. And we're gonna just do a short and condensed version pre-recorded of that today because I am feeling this energy. I'm also in transition. I'm coming back to PEI. Tomorrow. So, well, Wednesday technically, but I'm leaving Puerto tomorrow because it's a drive first. Anyways, I'm in transition. I'm feeling the energies, and I just don't have it in me to do a live, longer workshop and meditation. So today we're going to do it all condensed. And so I'm going to draw an angel card for you. I'm going to quickly talk about maybe what the message is and the energies, and then we're going to do a 5-minute meditation or less, and that'll be it. I hope that you are taking the time to I hope we are taking the time today. I don't think that was it. That was just shuffling. Oh my gosh. See, told you to feel the energy. I hope that you're taking the time to sit with this energy, to make space, to be alone if that's what you need. Also, a lot of my astrologers, they take like multiple days around every full moon and new moon. And eclipses, if you caught the last video, are all about are just like full moons and new moons on steroids. So just know that the energies will just feel intense potentially, and this could be a level up for you. This could be, clarity. This could also be painful. Not everyone's going to feel it the same, but you're probably going to feel it in one way, shape, or form, even if you don't think you are. Anyways, that's kind of what you might experience, just energy wise. You might feel intense today. So I did draw a card, and I've never seen this card in my entire life that I've owned this deck. And so your card is Trust the Niggle. What is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? This author is Australian. Like, I've never heard the word niggle or niggling. It's kind of too close to another word for my liking. But I'm thinking it means like the nagging feeling. She's Australian, so maybe they say that in Australia. If you know, let me know in the comments. Trust the niggle. Okay, I found it. I hope you held on for that. What is the niggling feeling trying to tell you? The niggling feeling, that annoying niggling feeling, the inconvenient, annoying niggling feeling. Try as you might, it's there, and it ain't going nowhere. Most people spend years ignoring the niggling feelings, throwing their best dollops of stubbornness, ego, and post-rationalization to numb them out. It's exhausting, and until you fade, the niggle life just throws up more bait to awaken it, to draw your attention to the light within you that is bursting to come out. The niggle is an arrow pointing to what is standing in your path. The relationship, the conversation, the decision, the shift that needs to be made to the stone in your shoe. Often we feel the niggling feeling in our body first. Most people think that intuition is something from the higher realms, but in fact it is in the body that is in the intuitive. But in fact, it is the body that is the intuitive one, working through our senses to deliver vibrational information. It takes just a moment every day to scan your body to receive the intuitive intelligence and act on it quickly. You are being called to face the niggle now. If you don't face it, the universe will throw something much bigger and more obvious in your path, and then you will likely regret that you didn't answer the niggle in the first place. I know it's scary, but you are safe. Answer the niggle now. Okay, I really don't like that word. Anyways, what is the thing that's like, clawing at the back of your brain right now? I think that makes a lot of sense for this eclipse. The full moon that we just went through at the start of this eclipse in Mercury energy, or in the middle, I guess, of the energy for the eclipses, was asking us to let go of things. And even though we're in a new moon, which is about manifesting and inviting new things in, I think we are inviting new things in, but I think there's still this surrender piece of like letting go of something to make room for these manifestations. So what is the thing that you are surrendering to, that you're letting go of? That might be the thing that's like clawing at the back of your brain, you know, that kind of annoying little voice that keeps saying, hey, what about this? Hey, what about this? Hey, what about this? And so when you really surrender to that, then you're going to make space for the manifestations. So today I would offer up journaling about what you are surrendering to, releasing in order to make room for your manifestations, and then also write out all of the things that you're manifesting for the next 6 months until the next eclipse season, which will be 6 months from now. Yeah, and like, so that's it. That's the energy. That's what you got. And then we'll just do maybe a quick breathing exercise to visualize that, and like just a very quick meditation. So you can stay exactly as you are. You can close down the windows of your eyes if that feels safe, or lower your gaze towards the earth. And let's take 3 deep cleansing inhales and exhales to release. So inhales through the nose, exhales through the mouth. So deep inhale to fill up. Exhale to open your mouth to sigh. 2 more. Deep inhale. Exhale, sigh. Last one. Deep inhale. Exhale, sigh. Now slowly draw your awareness to the back of your brain, to the place where that nagging voice lives, the one that's been asking you to let go, surrender, release, to no longer carry with you the thing that is not serving you. See it really clearly here, that surrender piece that's unique to you. And then repeat to yourself 3 times slowly. I release, I release, I release. Let's do it 3 more times, really visualizing clearly that thing that you are letting go of. I release, I release, I release. Take a deep inhale, exhale to sigh. And now turn your awareness towards your heart space, your unique rhythm and beats of your life force, of your soul. And slowly start to build a list of the things that you are manifesting in this next chapter, with that release, with that surrender. What is going to come into this space that you've made? So you might think of your top 3. Maybe you see them all very quickly behind your eyelids, tuning into the new energies that you're inviting into. This might be a new relationship, a new job, a new location physically in the world, a new type of energy, a new relationship with your body, with your mind, with your spiritual practice. Take 3 breaths here to build your list. See it clearly. And then holding these manifestations wherever you've landed. Don't feel like you need to explore or build it more. Whatever you've landed on here is perfect. This is the perfect list. You can expand on it more later if you'd like, when you go and journal after this. But holding these manifestations in your heart space, in your mind's eye, see them clearly, and then say 3 times in your head, I surrender, I trust. I surrender, I trust. I surrender, I trust. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Exhale to sigh. Let's do that one last time. See these manifestations right before you, and then repeating to yourself, I surrender, I trust. I surrender, I trust. I surrender, I trust. Another deep inhale. And exhale to sigh. And then let go of all visualizations. Come into your body. Blink open your eyes, coming back into this space. And that's it. So remember, pay attention to that nagging feeling at the back of your mind, committing to letting go, to paying attention to something that's been calling for your attention to surrender, to release. And then maybe you write that down, what you're releasing, and then also add in your list of manifestations and the energies that you're inviting back in to fill up this new space that you've created with your surrender. And that's it. I will see you all Wednesday for a movement class. And I hope that your eclipse and new moon went splendidly or exactly how it was meant to be. See you next time.